Guys, make sure to stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in repair diagnostics that you may actually not even need. So let's explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find where the fuses relays for the TPMS tire pressure monitor sensors are located on Jeep Grand Cherokee, that generation here. If you have problems with the system, light is on, guys. Please make sure to stay until the end. Do not waste money on parts to use diagnostics until you watch that video. We'll talk what can cause that problem, how to fix it, what you need to test as well. And after that, if you need to buy replacement parts and tools, guys, we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. Before we start, guys, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix engines, transmission, codes, fuses, relays, because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these free videos. By the way, guys, if you have a Jeep Grand Cherokee with a V6 3.6 engine, guys, we'll have video on that engine, replacing, taking it completely apart, replacing almost any component you can think of, transmission as well. Why we do that? To save you money. Check it out. All this video will be on the channel, guys. In addition, on our YouTube channels we have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. TPMS system, tire pressure monitor system, fuses, relays, come guys to show you where you can expect to find them on that generation Jeep Grand Cherokee. Now, depending on the year model, you may have up to 2 different types of fuse boxes in that Jeep Grand Cherokee. So we'll explain about both. What we need to do first, guys, we need to open the hood. And when you face the engine on your Jeep Grand Cherokee, on the left side here is the main engine fuse box. Open the cover. Underneath you'll find a fuse box with a layout like this one for 2014 to 2022 year model Jeep Grand Cherokee, and this is for 2011 to 2013 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Before we guys continue, let's quickly explain why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse, guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, okay, you pull the fuse. Okay, I'm going to get the fuse puller and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse. Sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always, guys, test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good. You end up spending money, time and diagnostics for problems that do not exist, guys. So you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find, guys, a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. The TPMS system on a 2011 to 2013 Jeep Grand Cherokee is known as fuse M29, and we're talking about this fuse that you see right here. Now for 2014 to 2022, guys, that's I believe when the TPMS system became a safety feature. So what they did, they integrated the fuse into a different fuse. So one fuse will have multiple functions that you cannot remove. That way you cannot deactivate that function because it's a safety function. Now where it's hidden, we'll talk about that in a second. But if you have TPMS Light on, we have a special video on the channel that explains why TPMS Light is on Jeep Grand Cherokee. We'll talk about testing sensors, TPMS sensors, how to program them as well. Now, that fuse, guys, we couldn't find almost any information, but usually where it's integrated, it's either the radio system, instrument cluster, engine computer, or BCM body control module. Most of the times those systems will have fuses, and those fuses sometimes will correspond to the TPMS system as well. So check out these fuses if you want to see where they're located. We'll have videos on the channel to help you guys save as much money as we can. Guys, as you can see, this Jeep Grand Cherokee has all kinds of different fuses, relays, JKs, mini blade fuses, the CB fuses, different kinds of relays as well, depending on the year and model, they may differ, but some of those could be really hard to find if you're in the middle of nowhere. That's why, guys, what we recommend, we always keep some spare ones in the glove box for a peace of mind. We'll share the links in the description of the video below. Check it out, where we get most of our tool supplies from as well. We can get fuses, relays usually at a good price there as well. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. Our mission is to save you as much money as we can. Thank you for watching and see you next time.